Today I am going to show you how to share Wi-Fi hotspot on Android. So to get started on Nokia Android phone and go to the settings menu. You can usually find it in your approval or swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the gear icon. Now in the settings menu, look for the connection and sharing on network internet option. It depending on your device, tap on it to proceed. Next, find and tap on personal hotspot option. This is where you will set up your Wi-Fi hotspot. Now select personal hotspot or a similar option. You may need to toggle the switch to turn it down. Before sharing, it's a good idea to customize your hotspot settings, such as setting a network name and password. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on save or done with your hot connector. It